Hi there, community! My name is Barbara. I'm Community Manager here at OneTrust, and in this quick tutorial, I'll give you the tools you need to start using groups on MyOneTrust. First off, what are MyOneTrust community groups? Groups in MyOneTrust are your go-to space to reach out to peers and experts, ask questions, and share new ideas with the community. This space is friendly, helpful, and a great place to gain access to experts, build networks, and even share your own knowledge. So let's get started. Once you're logged in, from the MyOneTrust main page, click Community and select Groups. On the Groups tab, you'll see the list of available groups that you can join. Let's check out the Consent and Preference one, for example. If you haven't joined yet, click Join Group to unlock the ability to start posting, commenting, and following updates. We recommend becoming a member of all groups for the best experience, but feel free to pick the ones that interest you most. Once in a group, create a post by clicking Create a Post. Add a title, description, and a topic. Add as many details as possible so the rest of the community will be better able to assist. If you have supporting images or files, you can share them here too. When you have everything filled out, click the Create a Post button. Engaging in a group will make content more visible and encourage helpful answers. Besides creating a post, you can engage by adding a comment after clicking the Answer button or typing directly within the Write an Answer field of an existing post or answer. You can also use the upvote and share buttons beneath a post to engage with it, helping make the experience better for everyone. Don't forget to enable the notifications. This way, you won't miss what's happening. Just click Manage Notifications to select how often you'd like to receive notifications from any group. You can also adjust this using the drop-down menu to the right of the group page or click the notification bell to see notifications anytime. Last, but certainly not least, we have the MyOneTrust Copilot. On any group page, you can access Copilot by clicking the Copilot button. Once the window pops up, you can use preference-related prompts or write out your own questions, and Copilot will search MyOneTrust supporting documentation within the knowledge base, release notes, known issues, onboarding material, and more. Thanks for watching this video on how to use the MyOneTrust community groups. You can click the link on screen to learn more in our knowledge base. Have a wonderful day!